Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Learn Bangla with Tinkers. With you, this is Munem Shahriar. Today we shall learn Bangla family relationships. Okay, so we all have families. আমাদের সবারই পরিবার আছে. পরিবার in Bangla is called family. And in Bangladesh, we have unique names or unique addresses for each member of our family. For example, father, baba, ma, dada, dadi, nana, nani. We shall learn all those in this video. Let's start. Okay, family relations in Bangla. Family relations in Bangla. This video is part of one of the 3 videos in this series actually of family relations. Okay, first, বাংলাতে পরিবারের সম্পর্কগুলো পরিবার পরি বয় আকার বা আর র পরিবার পরিবার is family and সম্পর্ক সম্পর্ক is a যুক্ত বর্ণ means conjugated letter স ময় প সম্পর্কয় রেফ রেফ সম্পর্ক means relations পরিবারের সম্পর্ক okay the most important person in our family is our mother ma in Bangla we say ma moy akar ma or we say ammu shore a mo mo hrushu means যুক্ত বর্ণ ম যোগ ম ময়ে ম মা অথবা আম্মু mother. Then comes okay, so this is a family tree we're looking at. We shall fill this family tree together by learning one relation at a time. Okay, next comes father baba baba ma baba baba boy akar ba ba or in Bangladesh we also say abbu a bo bo shusho abbu is boy bo means conjugated bo abbu baba abbu you should stay with me. Okay, next ma baba is our family tree we are filling it together ma baba. Then comes who comes after ma baba? It's me ami it's me ami shorea মই শস্যই আমি নেক্সট মা বাবা আমি ওকে এবারে কে আসবে এবারে আসবে ব্রাদার ভাই ভাই ব্রাদার ভয় আকার হ্রস্ব ই ভাই অথবা ভাইয়া we say ভাই or we say ভাইয়া brother means ভাই or ভাইয়া both are correct ভাই অন্তস্থ অয় আকার ভাইয়া ব্রাদার ভাই or ভাইয়া মা বাবা আমি ভাই it's our family tree. Okay, next বোন sister boy ওকার বো আর ন বোন sister. We also call our বোন আপু স্বরে আ পয় হ্রস্ব apu bon means sister apu is also sister. Next bon ami bhai so ma baba comes first then ami amar bhai amar bon. Next grandparents so father means your paternal grandparent is called dada or dadu dada it's not dada okay it's soft d it's not the hard d we say in English it's not dada it's dada a soft d dada or you can also say dadu doy akar doy hrusho u dadu it's not dada okay it's dada soft d. Okay, next ma baba ami bhai bon and the father of my father is my dada. Okay, baba holo dada and paternal grandmother in Bangla is dadi, dadi, dadi. Okay, dadi. Ma baba, babar baba, means father's father is dada and father's mother is dadi. This is our family tree. Next, chacha, chacha, chacha or chachu, father's brother is called chacha, or we can also say chachu. Choy akar chacha or choy akar choy frushu chachu, both are correct. Father's brother, uncle, you may say in Bangla also chacha. And then comes fupu. Fupu is father's sister. Fupu, aunt, father's sister. Fupu, foy frushu u, poi frushu u, fupu, fupu. Okay, fupu. Okay, fupu. Okay, let's look at our family tree one more time. Baba is dada dadi, and then chacha fupu. Chacha fupu, brother of our father and sister of our father. Okay, next, maternal grandparents. Nana. Nana is the father of your mother. Nana. Noy akar na, noy akar na, nana. Some may also call nana nanu. Nana or nanu, both are correct. Okay, and nani. Nani, maternal grandmother is called nani. Na ni, dirgho i. Okay, look at our family tree. Ma er baba is nana, father of your mother is nana and nani. Mama, mama, mother's brother. Mama, মায়ের ভাই মামা. Okay, tips. মায়ের ভাই is called ma. Mama, মায়ের ভাই, mother's brother. Then comes khala. Khala. Some also say khalamoni. Khalamoni. Khala or khalamoni is maternal aunt, your mother's sister. Okay, mama, khala. This is our family tree. Now, there are other relations outside the family. Bondhu, friend. Bondhu. Bo, no, dho, hrosho. Jukto borno. Bondhu. We shall learn about Jukto borno in another video. Bondhu, friend. Ami theke elo bondhu. Shikhok, teacher. Teacher, shikhok. This is called Jukto kho. Jukto kho. Sho, talobosho, vrusoi, Jukto kho, ko. Shikhok. Shikhok, teacher. তারপরে মা বাবা, তারপরে আমি, বন্ধু, শিক্ষক, and who else? That's all for today actually. We shall learn more relations in our next video, in our part 2 video. Till then, Allah Hafiz, Shubha Biday.